Hello students, good evening. Again I am here to discuss you about the thing that is our new chapter, the last leap. Okay. In our previous lesson we have studied about the poem If. In this lesson the last leap written by O. Henry. Each and everyone have positive and negative thoughts. People those who have the negative thoughts, they always think the things that is going to destroy and going to lose. So don't be a loser, be a positive, be positive, keep on working hard, have willpower, determination and some persistency to make your day easy. Dear students, there is nothing in life instead of hard work. Most of the students I find and I see, they don't go through the video and they don't see it till the end. That brings them unhappiness, sadness, gloomy, and their incomplete work bring them some burdens and frustrations. I do not speak in Hindi. Why? Because you are English medium students and it's your duty to have faith in yourself, be confident and keep on reading. Whatever the problem you have regarding the lesson, you should put your queries in comment box. But still I am looking from the 10th standard students, they don't participate in watching the video. So without wasting our time, let's we start the new topic, the last leap. As you have you can see in your front upper part of the page, lesson 10, the last leap. Last leap explains you about the thought of a ill patient Johnsy. So I would like to intimate you, interact you. There are three important characters. One, who is Johnsy, a school student and a painter who is still learning, and her friend Sue, who is very smart and always think in positive way. Third one, that is the old Behrman. Old Behrman is a painter, but still, since he started painting, still he could not get the finishing touch, perfection on his profession. Though he thinks that he is a man of perfection and one day he will succeed. So his hopefulness, his expectations is still alive with him. Having failure of 25 years, still he is hoping to be a perfect man, to get the perfection in his life. But dear students, sometimes we see and feel unhappy, gloomy and sadness and become frustrated to see the difficulties in our life and to be have the fearness of loss or failure in our life. Never think so. Being as an English teacher, being as a language teacher, it's my duty to aware you about your problems. Most of the time I have seen our students do not participate in watching the videos. That is not good. Still it is now I am in chapter number 10. But the percentage of watching videos is very few and less. That is not a good sign. To participate in it, it's your duty. There is no such a way in which I can intimate you, interact you. You are very good luck. It's your fate, it's your luck that our school started online classes for you, and you should enjoy it. You should participate in it. So without wasting your time, I want everyone's participation in this chapter. I else you will be called to school and will punished for your negligence. So let's we start. There are three characters: Jhansi, Sue, and Old Beharman. So before starting the lesson, I told you two things. First, that is negative thing. Second, that is positive thing. Always go with the positive things. Keep your side in a positive way. Walk on good things. So, it is the old story, and it is very professional story that is implemented to teach the students in our curriculum. In a little district west of Washington Square, the streets have run crazy and broken themselves into small strips called places. Means Washington DC is very populated place, and its streets are divided in many small streets, and these streets are called places. Okay, and one street crosses itself time or two. It is too crowded place. A single street crossed once or twice the same day. An artist once discovered a valuable possibility in this street. Suppose a collector with a bill for pens, paper, and canvas should in traversing this route suddenly meet himself coming back without a cent having been paid on account. So, to quaint old Greenwich village, the art people soon came prowling hunting for North windows. Means they left the Washington and they walked towards Greenwich village, because in rush, in crowded place, you cannot be concentrate. It is not good sign for your art. So they left the place Washington and they moved towards the Greenwich village, where they settled and started their working. Means all the artists, they left the place and they now settled down to the new place that is called the Greenwich village. Okay, the art people soon came prowling, hunting for north windows and 18th century gables and Dutch attic and Lorient. Means the shape and size of the houses of the 18th century was gables and Dutch attic. Attic means double stories building, open, and low rents. And the rents of the Greenwich village was very low. In a very simple rent, you can get the house to live in. Okay, then they imported some pewter mugs and a chopping dish or two from 6th Avenue. Avenue means that is the name of a place, area, and became a colony. And now these small avenues gathered and known as a colony for those artists. Okay, so in this way, at the top of a squatty 3-story brick, Sue and Jhansi had their studio. Sue and Jhansi, both of them a learned painter, and have the place in 3-story building. In a corner of the building they live both together. Jhansi was familiar for Jonah, or one was from Maine. Manny means Jhansi belonged to Jonah and Sue belongs to Manny, the other from California. They had met at the table of hot of 8th Street Delmonico's and found that their taste in art, that was in May, in November, a cold. It was too cold in winter season after the month of May in November. So unseen stranger whom means, and winter is known as the unseen stranger. Stranger means to whom you don't know, whom the doctor called pneumonia. Pneumonia is the kind of a sickness, and it is very deadly breakout sometimes in European country, and it happens most of the time, and many people have to die in wants of awareness or due to the severe disease pneumonia. Is talked about the colony. Throughout the colony, you can see pneumonia is spread, and touching one here and there with his icy finger. Over on the east side, this ravager strode boldly, and he spread boldly in the east side of the colony, smiting his victim by scores, but his feet trod slowly through the maze of the narrow and moss-grown places. Means it started spreading throughout the area. Okay, now you see the page number 82 of your lesson. Mr. Pneumonia, he is being given humble notice, and it is being called Mr. Why? Because it is too dangerous to encounter or to face it. Because was not what you would call a chivalric old gentleman. Means it is well known to all that in November there would be pneumonia and many people will die of this. A mite of a little woman with blood thin by California Cypress was hardly fair game for the red-fisted, short-breathed old duffer. But Johnsy he smote, and she lay scarcely moving on her painted iron bedsheet, looking through the small Dutch window panes at the blank side of the next brick house. One morning, the busy doctor invited Sue into the halfway with a saggy grey eyebrow. She has one chance in, let us say, 10. Doctor found Johnsy fell ill of pneumonia, and doctor admitted that she had only some chance, let us say 10. He said as he took down the mercury in his clinical thermometer. Means when you have pneumonia means you will have lots of temperature and you will have fever, and that chance is for her to want to live. If she wants to live means she will have to keep her hope, keep on. This way people have of lining up on the side of the undertaker, make the entire pharmacopoeia look silly. You little lady has made up her mind that she is not going to get well. But I told you two things, negative and positive. When you will start thinking negative means your moral will down, but when once you start thinking positively on any matter, you will see, you can examine, you can experience yourself that you are getting good. So I say you again and again, participate in watching the video. You will see one by one video you are getting good, and will start giving you some comprehensive knowledge regarding the lesson. So I request you, participate in watching the video. That will only the way you will be helped to go through the lesson. Don't forget it. I will see and check how many of you are watching the video or not. These way people, so she wanted to paint the Bay of Naples someday. It was now she started talking about her story, what she wanted to paint. Said Sue to the doctor. Paint was, has she anything on her mind worth thinking about twice? A man, for instance. A man said Sue with joyous harp twang in her voice, "Is the man worth?" But no, doctor, there is nothing of that kind. Well, it is the weakness then, said the doctor. I will do all that science so far. I will do all that science means I will give all the medicine that is required for her goodness. So far it many filter through my efforts can accomplish. But whenever my patient begins to count the carriages in her funeral procession, I subtract 50% from the curative power of medicines. Means your hope will alive you and 50% medicine. If you will get her to ask one question about the new winter styles, power of medicine, if you will get her to ask one question about the new winter style in clock sleeps, I will promise you 1 in 5. 1 in 5 means one chance in 5. So instead of 1 in 10, and if she, for her, instead of 1 in 10, one chance in 10, one chance in 5, it means if she start thinking positively means one chance in 5, and if she start thinking negatively means one chance in 10. After the doctor had gone, Sue went into the workroom and cried a Japanese napkin to pop up, to mop or to mop the face of the Johnsy. She brought a Japanese napkin, swaggered into Johnsy's room with her drawing board, whistling ragtime. Johnsy lay scarcely making a ripple under the bedcloth with her face toward window. What did she see? What did she see during when she entered again into the room? She found that Johnsy is watching out from the window. What she is watching or looking for? She arranged her board and began a pen and ink drawing for a state magazine story. Young artists must pay their way toward by drawing pictures for magazine stories that young authors write to pave their way to literature. If you are a learning painter, you have to think about the some paintings that's running in your mind to paint. But and at the same time, literary person watch and read to the literature to arrange or get the right things to write some new things or paint new things. As Sue was sketching a pair of elegant horse riding trousers and monocle on the figure, means Sue was sketching. Sketching means making picture. A pair of elegant horse riding trousers means in which they are riding, and monocle on the figure of the hero, and as hero was riding this, and Idaho cowboy. She heard a low sound several times repeated. She went quickly to the beside. Okay, so Johnsy's eyes were open wide. She was looking out of the window and counting backward. But she was counting backward means 9, 10, 9, 8 means the base she was counting, it was back counting number. It means she was thinking if those leaves fell down from ivy vine means latime. Ivy vines, the leaves that falling down one by one means she is leaving the hope of her life that she is going to die till the last leaf is still on the branch. She will be alive, else it drop down, she will die. It shows her, it explains her negative thoughts. She was counting back. The last leaf, 12, she said, and little later 11, then 10 and 9 and then 8 and 7 almost together. One by one all the leaves of the ivy vines are falling down, and she start losing her hopes regarding her life. So in this lesson it will be continue. Keep on reading your lessons. See some birds and some writing sections, comprehension check. and arrange them as homework and show me if possible for you through the WhatsApp, and watch the video till end to understand the whole matter. It will be continuing in my next video tomorrow, so wait for the tomorrow's video also. Goodbye, and comment me, put your queries in comment box in our channel. Thanks for the day. Have a nice day. Bye.